In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Nasdaq on Tradingview. Start by opening charts in Tradingview. This is where you'll be doing most of your market monitoring, and it's the natural place to keep your key symbols handy. If you are on the home page, look for the charts option in the navigation. Once your chart loads, your attention will be on the right side of the screen. On the right, open your watch list. This panel is where you keep the tickers you check most often. If you don't see it, it may be collapsed. Hover near the right edge or look for the watch list tab to reveal it. Keeping the watch list visible makes switching between instruments quick and efficient. Inside the watch list panel, click the plus sign. It's usually up at the top right of the watch list area. This opens the add symbol field so you can search for what you want to track. Think of this like telling Tradingview, "These are the markets I care about, keep them within reach." Now, search for the Nasdaq index you want. Type NDX to add the Nasdaq 100. You should see a result labeled as an index. That's the one you want for benchmarking the largest Nasdaq names. If your focus is the broader market, type NASDAQIC to add the Nasdaq Composite index. As you search, double-check the description so you are selecting the true index rather than a derivative, CFD, or a futures contract. Tradingview often lists multiple related symbols, and choosing the one clearly marked as an index will keep your watchlist accurate. After you've searched and selected your preferred symbol, it will appear in your watch list, ready whenever you need it. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.